Alright, y'all, what up, what up, what up? Another day, another dollar, another video. So let me start on there, but I'm gonna do this oil change right quick on my mom's car. She been needing oil change for like at least a month or two. She just been putting oil in there. But can't keep doing that, man. Gotta keep the Lexus running right, cause you know, even though mine is still just sitting because I don't never drive it. Cause I like the FX too much to be driving the Lexus, and gas is like $5 a gallon. So I want to be driving no V8 when I got a V6 to be driving. But I'm thinking about getting another bike. I've been looking for Gixxers. I don't know if I'm getting another 1,000. Might end up with a 750 or another 600 or something like that. Never know. But we get started on this oil change right quick, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you know when I post new videos, man. You know what I'm talking about. You know, I gotta watch over here on my mom's street because they always be lurking over here and stuff like that. So yeah, man, let's get to it. Do this oil change on the Lexus. My mom with me moving in right quick. Oil change. Got the ghetto mechanic tools and stuff, you know. Let's get to doing this though. I use the little ghetto jacks because I ain't got no real ones. I use the ghetto jacks because I ain't got no real jacks. Use this strong. These are not recommended jacks. These are not the safest jacks to go with, but they come with cars, so. It's cold out here. Oh, it's the only one I got, so it's gonna be a dangerous job trying to do this with one of these songs because these things is not stable. Let's get out of this car. What we got under here? Alright, there. That bolt right there. Let's do the oil change on here. So let's do that. Gotta get our ghetto mechanic oil bowl filter. The drain. And we need the tools. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so it's 9/16. If you got a '08 Lexus es350, 9/16 for the drain bolt, oil drain bolt. Right, and that's gonna be right there. Switch all up so y'all can see. It's starting right there. Right there. Stay loose right quick. There we go. Grab the bolt.
Why you give her that? Huh? I said, why you give her that? She too picky. It spilled out on your hand?
Yeah, I fell in the ball.
You need another rack? Oh.
Oh no, no.
It's overfilling.
Majorly overfilled. Hey, how much oil you put in there? I need a towel. Need a towel.
Only two of them
Oh,
little ones.
oh. No. Major overspill.
Must have been full with dirty oil and then I added to it. Oh no.
That's a whole lot of oil. Jeez. Whoa. Okay. Gotta do the filter. Oh man. What a spill. Sheesh. Way overfilled. Do this right quick, then change the oil filter. Show y'all what the oil filter is. Filter, it's right here. Just stick the socket wrench in there. You loosen it. Let me show y'all how it's done. Take this. Now we got this side jacked up. The ghetto jack. Look at all that oil, man. I'm supposed to clean it, but I'm gonna do that after anyway. So this is the filter right here. Bam. Just stick your socket in there. You untwist it, and the filter comes out. So let's do this. Like so. Whatever oil is in there, drain out. Alright guys, we ran into a little problem. It's a special tool we need to get this filter off this car. And the oil filter thing I got, it don't work for this car, so I'm gonna go take a storage trip to O'Reilly's, grab the right tool, and we shall continue. Hop in there, Xfinity, be on the way to O'Reilly's, see if they got this tool. Right click, so we could get my mama right. Let's get her right. And knowing me, I already know what's going on. Can y'all see? My screen is dark. Hold on. I don't know what's going on right now. My back camera just went dark on me. But like I was saying, y'all know me. We is on E. Do the gas prices. Let's go to the O'Reilly's right quick. Let's see if they got this part, man. Usually got they should have it as a rental tool, but we're gonna see how this goes. My back camera is back working. Easky. And we got the right tool now. So let's get back over here and finish this. When you take that one bolt off, you gotta push that button in there and then release the rest of the oil that's in the filter. Then we got this. So we could take that part off. The outer part. Oh, let's make sure it fits before I even. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. See how the notch line up right there? Bam, like that. Bam. All right, let me do this right quick. Got to record, but we are done here. You gotta put that back in. After you put the filter and stuff back on, and then just, that's it. Put the drain plug back in for the oil right there. Got the oil, gotta clean it up. Oh, and then pour oil on here. I'm gonna check the dip again. Still there. Car lowered from the ghetto jack. Now let's get this oil. Pour it in. Set y'all up right quick. Leave a little bit in there. get it all the way out. I was gonna savor a little bit. Yeah. It is. That. Then. That. Cap. Push that back on. So. Get your dipstick. Stick it right there. Check the oil. Go with it. Yes. Good, looks good. Back in it goes. And now the cleaning process. We're done with that oil and these. Again, go take it to O'Reilly's so they can recycle it. That's it, man. That's how you do the oil change on the 08 es350. Give you a little peek of the process of how they do this right quick. I might make a bit of a mess, but that's what happens when you work on cars. Messes.
Oh, we got a drill.
Got it?
We can do it tomorrow.
This is gonna make a mess.
Yeah, hella dirty oil.
Mm-hmm.
When it brought some oil like 2 weeks ago, and I just poured it in there.
Oil. Alright guys, we're back at the crib. I'm all showered up and cleaned up and all that good stuff. Waiting on this food to get done. And that's it for today's video. I just did the oil change. I haven't been doing too much. But I need to start getting back to my active life. Get out and start doing more stuff like I used to. Go travel and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna call this one a video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell an auntie, grandma, grandpa, uncle, all that good stuff, man. And see y'all next one.